you put it in there. Now push the button. Yeah, push the button. You stick it in there. You're fixing it.
Oh, good job. Good
Figure out
job.
how this works.
No, that's how you work with me.
Pretty bug.
Here's the hammer.
No, it's
not.
just a little
What is
guy.
that?
See, look
Screw
at-
it in.
You
Wow.
put the nail in there and you hammer it in there. That's when you get your hole.
Good job. Good job.
There.
Oh, this is a drill bit. And I think that's the one that fits right in there. See, I figured it out, Brandon. Look, we can do it now. Screw it in there. Look, 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 Brandon, look. Whoa, cool.
Auntie Maggie screwed it in there, see?
It's going in, Brandon.
She's fixing it. And then you got to put it on reverse and take it out of there, Brandon. Take the screw out of there. Take the screw out of there. Want to screw it in there? Screw it in there. Screw it in there. Push the button.
Look, push the button, Brandon. Push the button.
Yeah, push it.
Oh,
you're fixing it. You're fixing it. Push the button. Yay. Good job.
Good job.
You fixed it.
See, this one, bang it. Bang with the hammer. Oh, other way.
Watch your finger, mate.
There you go,
Okay.
bang it.
Yeah, get it in there, Brandon. Bring it with the hammer.
Bang it. You still got the wrong way.
It's okay. I'm still doing it, though.
Go this way.
It's okay. It's okay.
Go
Just
that
hammer.
way.
Okay, hammer it now. Hammer it.
Oh, good job.
Okay, now take the screw out, Brandon. Take the screw out. Oh, no, you got this way. Now take the screw out.
Ooh.
Push the button. You're taking the screw out. You're taking the screw out.
Yay.
Good job.
Good job, Brandon.
Sweet. You fixed it. Like Handy Manny.
Call you Handy. Brandon.
It's
Oh, right
probably the
here.
handle.
It attaches it across this thing right here.
Okay, cool. There's a little handle for you. So you can handle it.
Might want to turn that screwdriver so it screws it in.
Oh, no,
Yeah,
we
you
got
gotta
this.
turn it.
Now you screw it in there. Yeah, screw it in there. Push the button. Push the button.
Good
job.
Wow, that's awesome, dude. You're a good fixer. All done. Screwed it in there.
What the heck is this thing?
Want to take the screw out? Take the screw out. Put that back in there and take the screw out.
I think this one we gotta hammer.
Push the button. Push the button, Brandon. Push the button. Good job.
This is cool. You take it out like this, eh?
That's pretty awesome. You fixed it. Now take the other one out.
Look,
Take the
Brandon.
other one out.
Good job, Brandon. So like this is weird, but it's interesting.
He likes it. Awesome. You did it. Now screw it back in there.
Look at this one, Brandon. Look, Brandon. Look. 1, 2. And then look, we'll take it out. Just like that.
Want to screw it back in there again?
Really suffering. Aww. That was the cutest smile.
Okay, now take it out. Take it out. Oh, I push the button this way. This way. Take it out now. You're pretty good at that, Brandon. Woody. Yeah, you got it out. Okay. Awesome. Stop it. Push the button. Don't push the button no more. Yeah, now it goes the other way. So you can take it out.
Look, we got other things here.
Oh, no, you got to put it this way. Now you can screw it in there. See? Yeah, push the button up. Yeah, that's for taking the screw out. Can you push it back? Now you can take the screw out. Cool, hey?
No.
No. Don't touch?
No.
How come?
Look at Grandma. Look. Look, Grandma.
Mine.
Where's Grandma?
Okay, okay.
Brandon, where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? Where's Auntie Maggie? Aww.
Auntie Jerry?
I love you.
Where's Auntie Jerry? Where's Auntie Jerry?
Where's Auntie Jerry?
He's just like in a trance right now. Where's Auntie Jerry? Brandon, where's Auntie Jerry?
Where's Uncle Bobby?
Where's Auntie Jerry?
Where's Auntie Jerry, Brandon?
Where's Auntie Jerry?
Where's Auntie Jerry?
Auntie Jerry's right there.
Right there.
Where's Auntie Maggie?
No.
He's just going insane. Where's Rare anymore? He likes that thing, eh?
Anything that
It
moves
goes round
right?
and round.
There's
Right?
batteries, so that works. And
Yeah.
that's
Round
entertaining.
and round. Round and round.
I used to like this thing.
Yeah, I know, eh?
Apparatus.
Abacus.
Apparatus.
No, it's not an apparatus. It's an abacus.
It's apparatus.
Brandon.
Hibiscus is what it is.
Brandon. I missed you, Brandon.
Watch this one, you guys. Show him what it does, Brandon. Show him what it does. Show him what it does.
What's that?
yourself in the face.
Cool.
eh?
Nice.
That's pretty neat. Hey, Brandon?
Show him what it does. Show him how fast it goes.
Wowee.
Mound, you mound.
Wowee. Ooh. Pretty.
Doesn't get you dizzy, Dad. Don't look.
Pretty, pretty, pretty. You look like Buzz Lightyear when you do that.
Where's Lightyear?
Oh, I point straight at it.
To infinity and beyond, right?
Which one's Woody? Let's not start dancing.
Yeah.
Who said it? Brandon, look. Brandon.
Look at Auntie Jerry.
Aw. Look at Auntie Jerry. He looked right at you.
Yeah.
Look at Grandma.
Look, Grandma. Look, Grandma.
Who's Auntie Maggie? I want to know who's Auntie Maggie.
Oh, you're fixing it.
Oh my God.
Awesome,
You're
Brandon.
different. Nice. Good job, man. You're
Awesome.
Awesome, Brandon. You're pretty
gonna
good.
be a carpenter. Well done. Yes, one.
Good job.
You are so good job. See, that's how little boys learn, eh?
We should have got him that toolkit, eh?
Yeah.
He likes
Gee.
it.